Hello, and I just wanted to say congratulations for completing the first week of your 28-day challenge. This is a huge step that you've taken in moving towards health and moving away from disease, so congratulations. You should be very proud of yourself. Just wanted to check in. Remember, if you have any questions or anything, you can just send us a message in your TrueCoach app. Just hit the send message button and it'll come straight to either myself or Angus and we can answer your questions. I just wanted to also run through a few key habits that we have. So you'll see here on the screen, this is our 5 key habits. These are basically the foundations to good health. The things that you want to focus on before you start worrying about how much weight and sets and reps and getting all confused with your training. You want to nail these 5 things first. So first up, and the simplest of all, is to drink 3 litres of water every single day. Get yourself a big bottle, 2-litre bottle or so, fill it up and drink it. It's literally the most simple thing that you can do for your health, and it's so important. The next one is to just focus on eating whole foods. So I don't want you to worry too much about calorie counting or macro counting or anything at this stage. It's more about creating those good habits and making sure that you're eating well, eating a variety of food. So our 28-day clean eating plan is pretty much that exact thing. So if you're not already, make sure you start following that. Third is managing your stress. So there's a few ways that you can do this. I talk about the Headspace app later on step number 5, but basically that can definitely help. It's a very easy to use, simple to follow meditation app called Headspace. It's free. I'll pop the link in underneath this video. Download it. They start at 3 minutes a day. It's so simple. Obviously, this day and age, it's really hard to avoid stress altogether, so it's important that we learn how to manage it, okay? Next up is move daily. So that doesn't necessarily mean following our training program every day. If you're too sore, that's fine. You're just beginning, so you can expect some soreness, but go for a walk instead. So just make sure that you're getting out, you're getting up, your heart rate up, a little bit of a sweat on. With your walk, don't worry too much about distance, but more about just sort of learning how to get your heart rate up. So it's just sort of above resting. That's what we're after. And last but not least is sleep. So sleep is so important to our recovery. So you want to sleep 7 to 9 hours every single night. Again, the Headspace app can help you with this if you struggle to sleep. Try to set good, healthy routines, going to bed at the same time every night and getting up at the same time every morning. Okay, so thank you very much. Again, welcome aboard. We're super stoked to have you. And if you've got any questions, just shoot us a message. All right, thanks.